guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Daniel Koye, your wig making cheerleader. Rah, rah. Welcome back. Today I'm going to be going over the butane curling irons or the electrical chargeable ones. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so we have the butane curling irons, which most people don't even know existed. Just to let you know, these are truthfully made for last looks on set in your set bag. So we have the butane curling irons, flat irons to do little touches. It has the cartridge that you put in, and then you have to click it, click, click. Like you have to start, and then there you go. And you have to like listen. Can you hear it? Hopefully you can hear it now. So like you hear it go, and it gets warm, but you only have like, you know, a little bit. And it has a smoothing component that goes on if you're gonna like just do it. These are not for like full styles, okay? Just, you know, but it's butane. I'm just a little worried, you know, any heatness, anything like that, butane in my set bag. Like, it's already warm, just to let you know. So, like, it's fine. So this is like, back in the day, you would definitely need to have one of these. So then I have to turn it off. And then I don't, okay. So then that's how you live with this one, all right? And now, so once again, I am not sponsored by any of these people. These are all bought because I need them for my kit. She has come out, or they've been out apparently, and I'm the last one to find out about this, but they came out with a curling iron and a flat iron that are battery chargeable. What? So yeah, and they're quite reasonable. I know there is a bad rap, like if you start looking them up and like trying to figure out like, oh, which one do you want? So people think that they can do their full head. I'm going to assume that we have people who have really long hair or really thick hair and trying to go in and redo everything. Well, I think these are made for on-set styling. This is for session stylists, for touches it up on set. They're amazing. They heat up really quickly. It tells you how much battery life you have. You can get a solid half hour full go. And it also has a lock on the bottom so that you can keep it locked. And they heat up really quickly, like it's already hot. So this is, and it has a light, medium, and high setting for the flat iron. If it's really cold out, a little background information, I take the curling iron and I just hold it to warm up my hands because it'll be so cold on set. But yeah, but with the new world, we would have to have a set of these inside of our actors' personal bags just for them to use. To sanitize them to make sure that they are safe. Just remember that part. So these are the 3 that I'm going for. This is a curling iron and there is a flat iron mixed in with it. And then here is the rechargeable ones. Personally, I like Chi better just for my personal use. I have 2 sets. I have a set for 2 of my kits, so that I can have them. I've actually gotten like at least 6 of them now for gifts for my keys that I've had and for people who are like, oh my gosh, I love them. It's great for last looks, for touches. If, you know, you never know, an actor on set, you know, head gets dunked in some water and like, you know, just the front, or, you know, whatever happens. These are great tools to have. Just make sure they're charged. So chargers, a lot of different chargers. So many chargers, make sure you have them. So these are the 2 different things. So with the butane, you would have to get the butane packages, which are a little bit harder to come by, to be quite honest. But this is a newer version. It's a brawn. So it's a little bit newer version of the butane one. So it's a little bit bigger, a little bit chunkier, you know, comparing, like I put 2 of these in my kit. Yeah. So my biggest problem with these is there was an older one that I couldn't ever get to start. It would just be like, is it on? Is it on? Hello. And it's like last looks, you're running around, you're trying to run around. And I was doing hair with a cold iron. So that is my review. on these two. So which one do you like? Which one would you have in your kit? Which one do you want to have for you? So you can check out, there's some links below. And also make sure you tune in next time for some more fun, crazy things that I do, because that's what I do. So make sure if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. And also click the little bell just so you know when I put out a new video comparing products and seeing how it goes. Oh yeah. Till next time. Bye guys.